Today, hugely sophisticated computers can be held in the palm of your hand. But originally, computers filled an entire room.
Preparing Nellie to do a day's work has become a well-practiced routine.
Right, keys in. Can you check this oil level, please, Harry?
Oil okay.
Okay, disc up to speed.
Hello, alternator house. Disc oil and temperature okay. Is it okay your end?
Motor, alternator on.
Okay for standby.
40 years after the first electronic computers were developed,
Standby coming on.
their size has decreased dramatically. How has computing technology advanced so rapidly? The answer lies in the size of circuit boards, which have rapidly become smaller and smaller. Gordon Moore was the co-founder and chairman of Intel back in 1965, when he formulated what has come to be known as Moore's Law. Observing how technology had advanced up to that point, Moore said that the number of transistors that can fit on a circuit board would double every 2 years. This increases computational power very quickly. In fact, each doubling of transistor density actually quadruples the effective computational power. Because as transistors shrink, so does the time it takes to perform their switching operations. So we get twice the amount of transistors in the same space, working at twice the speed. This also results in a lower cost per unit, as the same computational power can be created more cheaply. The effect has been very noticeable in the consumer market. For example, the development of cell phones from early models to complex smartphones in less than 30 years is strongly linked to Moore's Law. As are processing speed, memory capacity, and even the number and size of pixels in digital cameras. Industry experts now believe we are approaching the end of Moore's Law. Current techniques are reaching their capacity, and the technology required to go even smaller would cost too much. Since 1965, much of the computing industry has set its targets for development based on Moore's Law. But with the technology apparently nearing its limits, the future is harder to predict.